Hello, this is the Daily Forex Report for November 24th. We are looking at the US Japanese yen pair. This pair closed higher, did create an inside bar. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways, potentially going as high as 84.04, possibly as low as 82.49. Look for some resistance around 83.80 and look for some support around 82.75. Now the Euro-USD pair, this pair had a decent range, did close down for the session. We are looking for it to continue to the downside. If we get a reversal, look for some resistance around 134.46 and look for some support to the downside around 132.75. Now the pound-US dollar pair, you can see this was previous support and resistance lines that we had. This particular pair did close down, had a move to the upside as well as the downside, but did close down for the session. We are looking for it to continue this move down, potentially hitting some resistance on a pullback to 158.36, possibly hitting some support around 157.25. Okay, let's take a look at the US Swiss. This pair continues to move sideways, did close down after moving higher and much lower. Overall, this pair is moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 1.0046, possibly as low as 0.9837. Look for some resistance around 0.9998 and look for some support around 0.9850. Now, as far as news announcements, we don't have any significant news announcements being released tomorrow. Tomorrow is the United States holiday of Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to all our U.S. members. Obviously the U.S. market will be shut down tomorrow. There will be very light volume. Globally, the market should be open, but no significant news announcements. So if you're going to look to trade during the next session, you definitely want to do it on the hour time frame and use a counter trend strategy, because the market should, with the US market shut down, should move sideways to a large degree. So you definitely want to look for the market to move sideways. Okay, how's that, how do you do that necessarily? Well, let me show you one way you can do it. You can use the US Japanese yen pair, this particular pair. If you can use an indicator, say the RSI is a good one. There we go. You can set it to 14 and close. Basically what you're going to look for, actually you'll probably want this one to be a little bit quicker. Instead of 14, you're going to want to probably set it to 5. And now what you're going to do is look for breaks above the 70 line or below the 30 line. You're going to look to buy. Typically what you do is once it breaks above 70, you look for it to continue to the upside. This time you're going to look for it to come down. And you may want to make it a little bit stronger signal. Change it to 80-20. There we go. Now you're basically looking for a break, so we would sell and buy. So you're looking for it to bounce between these two over the next couple hours, and at that point you would look to buy and look to sell. Then look to buy and then look to sell. And you do this over and over as the market bounces sideways. So when the market is moving sideways, you want to basically take advantage of that. All right, well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.